Hey, Dr. Pound here with Heal Better Fast, and I have Chelsea, the yoga master, with me today. Chelsea, how are you doing?
I'm great.
Good. All the way from Santa Cruz. Chelsea does yoga, she does stretching, she's been to a chiropractor before, and she loves surfing. In fact, it led to some broken ribs, which we're not treating ribs today, but she is here for a full spine tune-up. So I'm going to show you what we do for yoga instructors, for surfers who are out there who want to increase mobility in their spine. So, but before we get into that, you're kind of doing a little bit of soul searching, right?
Oh, totally.
Life exploration.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about
beautiful.
that. I'm kind of curious. Do you live in a van?
Not yet.
I would like to live in a van.
I was like this close to actually like going through and buying a van, but I found a spot in the redwoods in Santa Cruz instead, and
awesome.
It's a tiny home.
Okay.
So it's like one step up from van life. But yeah, I'm doing a little soul search mission right now. I just ended a long-term relationship, and just like it was really long-term. It was since college, and never really found I found my roots and myself. So I'm on this kind of crazy fun adventure right now, doing yoga, body work, singing, and also just taking any opportunities that come my way. I recently did a 925-mile bike ride also down the coast of California.
That's awesome.
Wearing a pink jumpsuit.
Cool.
And yeah, I am feeling very open to all different types of healing and experiences right now. So.
And I'm sure you basically blogged about that, right? So
a little bit.
We'll
I haven't.
include a link to what she's doing.
Yeah.
It could be, I don't know, maybe you'll
I
see
have an
singing.
Instagram. It's, there's some ways to find what I'm doing.
Cool.
Yeah.
And so today, Chelsea, you're going to get full spine adjustments, and we're going to try and make her taller, more flexible, be able to catch some waves, and let's get started. So let's have you go face down on the table. We're going to start at the feet and work our way up. You are a little uneven.
Not surprised.
That's no good. So tell me if this causes pain at all.
So far, so good.
Okay, good. So for this upper back adjustment, this is tight. I'm going to have you bring your arms down to the side. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure through here. Right there. Rhomboid. Deep breath in. Breathe out. There we go. That was money. Lay on your left side, facing away from me.
Arm goes.
I'll show you in just a second. Bend the top leg, keep the bottom one straight. Bring the hips a little closer to me. This arm comes up just like this, and you are in position. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure in the back, so let your hips relax. Deep breath in. There you go. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Good. Turn over. Popcorn.
Yeah.
Arms like this. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Lay on your back. All right, for this next adjustment, I'm going to bring your arms together just like this. I'm going to put my hand behind your back. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure through here. Good. It's right there. That's tight, 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 isn't it? All right, neck adjustment. Any headaches?
Nope.
Side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper.
A little of each. Not really stomach.
What's
back
your-
and side.
I was going to say a little of each. Come on, you know better than that. All right, so the first adjustment I'm going to do is to the right here. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure on the left side. Deep breath in, breathe out. Good. Nice. One more here, deep breath in, breathe out. Good. All right, go ahead and sit up. And just like that, our surfers and yoga instructors can be more flexible than they were before. How do you feel?
Good.
A little taller, a little lighter?
Yes.
All right, I'm Dr. Pound helping you heal better fast.